Hello, Amaravati Drone Summit. I am Rajesh Rampali from Tridex Systems. Today, I want to dive into a revolutionary topic that intertwines technology and humanitarian efforts: how drones are changing disaster response forever. Imagine a world where, in the aftermath of a natural disaster, rescue operations are immediately supported by fleets of drones, efficiently assessing damage and identifying critical areas in need of relief. This isn't just science fiction, it's becoming our reality. First off, let's talk about the technology. Drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill gadgets. We're talking about thermal imaging, LiDAR, and multispectral sensors that can scan and map disaster zones with pinpoint precision. In the chaos following a disaster, every second counts. Traditional methods of assessment can take days, even weeks. Drones, on the other hand, can cover large areas in a fraction of the time, providing real-time data to emergency response teams. But it doesn't stop there. Drones can also be equipped with AI algorithms that analyze data on the fly. This means identifying collapsed buildings, flooded areas, and even locating survivors becomes much faster and more accurate. Imagine the impact of being able to prioritize rescue efforts based on real-time data. It's a game changer. Now, let's talk scalability. One of the most compelling aspects of drone technology in disaster response is its scalability. Whether it's a small local disaster or a large-scale catastrophe, drone fleets can be deployed and scaled up as needed. They're relatively low cost compared to traditional airborne methods like helicopters, making them accessible even for smaller organizations and governments with limited resources. Innovation in this field is also skyrocketing. Companies are developing drones with extended flight times, autonomous navigation, and even the ability to drop supplies to hard-to-reach areas. Picture a remote village cut off by a landslide, and a drone delivering life-saving medical supplies within hours. That's the power of leveraging technology for humanitarian aid. Finally, it's not just about the tech, it's about the data. The data collected by drones can be integrated into comprehensive mapping systems, providing a clear picture of the disaster zone. This helps in planning logistics for rescue operations, ensuring that resources are allocated where they are needed most urgently. It also aids in long-term recovery efforts, as detailed maps and data can be used to rebuild smarter and more resilient infrastructure. In conclusion, drones are not just flying cameras, they're becoming indispensable tools in disaster response, offering speed, precision, and scalability. As we continue to innovate and integrate these technologies, the impact on saving lives and rebuilding communities will be profound. So next time you see a drone in the sky, remember, it might just be a lifeline for someone in need. Thanks for tuning in, and stay curious, tech fans. I am Rajesh Rampali from Tridex Systems.